Hello Samoa. This is your Po Po Mano'o mid-season special. My name is Leuotele Tamati, and this is...
Hello for everyone. My name is Benjamin Harding. I'm the director of Po Po Mano'o, normally behind the scenes, but I guess they got me in front of the camera today.
Hello everyone, my name is Leuotele Tamati. I was your first host, now my life's turned sideways. Just kidding, God.
For this special, myself, Tele, and Benj, the director, are here to answer some of your questions regarding Po Po Mano'o, so we can see what it is like being part of Po Po Mano'o for the past, 1.5 years so far.
Let's get it on.
Okay, our first question will be drawn by the director himself.
All right, for our first question, what's your favorite round on Po Po Mano'o? All right, shall I go first? Do we have to think about it for a bit?
Feel free.
All right. I think it's a new favorite. It's Pese Mai. It's a round we just introduced here on this round 2 for season 2. We play a snippet of a song, and then the team has, and then we stop it. We pause it at a certain point, and the team has to keep singing the song. We've gotten some really good results from that, some really good singing from some teams, some really bad singing, and some silence from other teams on other questions. But either way, I think it makes a pretty good TV and comes off really well.
Pese Mai is one of them, but I think charades is my favorite. I know our director doesn't really like it, but it's funny seeing them act out, things. Yeah.
There was one time when someone did milking the cow, and and I'll just leave it at that. I think the video can speak for itself.
Papa?
Oh!
Milking a cow.
It is milking a cow! And if you thought otherwise, you are very incorrect.
How do you milk a cow? If you guys had that word, how would you act it out?
Maybe one. I don't know. I think you go like that, right?
Yeah, you got the teats and...
Okay.
Alright, you go.
Our next question?
Question. Out of the many questions, I choose you. Ladies and gentlemen, your next question is, how has PPM changed over the years? Over the 2 years that Po Po has been in operation, how has PPM changed over the years? There's your question, and to answer, me first, or to Benj?
You can take it first.
I think PPM is taking a massive change in terms of the starting teams. I forgot how many teams there were last year, but this year we started with 24 teams. Yeah, we started 16 teams last year, and today we opened the floor for 8 more teams.
Yeah.
Who was it? Was it someone who played last year and also was on a team this year? They said, "Oh, last year was more fun."
I don't know.
Maybe it's because they were losing.
Maybe because of that.
It's not fun when you lose, mate. I'm just kidding, bro. Keep that head up, Kings.
Well, the setting is a lot different compared to last year. Last year, it was very new, and it was hard to find what kind of look we wanted for Po Po Mano'o. I think, since last year, we have a better idea of what we want Po Po Mano'o to look like. And I'm glad of how it looks now.
True, yeah. I think kudos to the production team. I think the look and feel of the show and the green screen and special effects we put in, they're top notch, looking really good this year.
Our third question. What's your favorite part about Po Po Mano'o? What's your favorite part? Favorite part of Po Po Mano'o for me is meeting the teams and getting exposure of what it's like to host a show. It's helped me develop as a person. And reading wise, there are a lot of hard words that our director puts in that I have to Google sometimes. So I don't sound foolish, but yes, that's my favorite part.
I think my favorite part is when, because just so you guys know, we actually put a lot of effort into the questions and the rounds and making them fun and exciting. And we do a lot of trial behind the scenes, and sometimes things don't really work out that well. When it actually comes to game time, and we actually put put a question in there or this new round that we're trying out and it actually works.
Yeah.
So I think, when it's kind of like just the right amount of challenge, but they still get it, it still comes off really good for TV.
Yeah. Favorite part is just the meeting new people. It's never a familiar face with hosting the show. You'll what you call, the only time you'll see players twice is if they win. So hey, apologies to those who didn't win. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
We would like to see you again, no? Stop by TV.
But if you're young, like me and Fono, or
Hey,
hey, if you're young like Ben, if you got the good, you got
Just 25.
hey, Ben still he's got some mileage, a lot of miles in it. But yeah, just about if you're young, just try and get out there, try to meet as many people as you can. You never know how that can help you in different ways in life. Someone to talk to, someone to ask favors for, but ask less favors and do more favors. Something like that, you know what I mean?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have gone through some questions inside our mystery box, but now we are going to watch some replays of old clips of previous games we've had over the past few games this year and last year, and see how cringe it may be. Let's see.
Hi, you guys all good? Yeah. Alright, sweet. I took my hearing aid to the repairman 2 weeks ago. Haven't heard from him since.
So
Oh my god, I hated that. You have no idea how awkward that was.
This was a fantastic introduction to Po Po Mano'o in season 2. I was completely unaware of this as a director. I had no idea what he was doing. He would go up to the teams and tell them his best dad joke, and by best dad joke I mean worst joke ever.
When did the dad jokes start? Tell us.
I have no idea, but if you're watching at home, you have no idea how awkward it is to say something and have no reaction. It's the worst thing that can happen to you as a performer, is to say something with no reaction.
And our teams, are you guys ready? Our second puzzle is Johnny.
This is when Fono read the answer. Okay, so if you look up there on the screen right now, you'll see the letters, that top where it spells out Johnny and the bottom where it spells out Depp.
That's why I have stuff.
He's
holding the card for coconut.
He's supposed to say your next puzzle is a person, and they're supposed to guess the letters that spell out Johnny Depp's name. But he gave that one away. It's okay. Happens to the best of us.
Just a Johnny lingo.
Yeah.
Should have gotten that incorrect.
But that was a nice puzzle though.
That was the new installment, right? For the round 2 of Po Po Mano'o.
Yeah, that's Coconati. It's kind of like Tuli Tuli E last year. So last year we used the spinning wheel, which was cool. I think that was really neat to see on TV. A nice spinning wheel and the word guessing game. But we also found it kind of, it ate up a lot of time. Yeah, I think we went with the Coconati format this year.
Serafina, you are our spokesperson from Team Up and Go. Alright.
Oh,
Whoa, those are good reflexes.
shaking with the left though. Shaking with the left, so.
What?
Wow,
I don't understand.
so unnatural.
Were you trying to like curse them or something?
No, I'm just a very awkward person. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yeah, I totally forgot about this moment.
It would have been awesome if you saved it, you just opened it and just down.
Hey, in another parallel universe, that actually would have happened. Yeah, would be very, very cool.
Rosalie, I want to give you this say. For your information, ladies and gentlemen watching from home, if you put it on the left side, you are available, single, or free. If you put it on the right side, you are taken, or stuck. You put it in the middle, you don't know if you're coming or you're going, and if you put it at the back, it'll follow you to that big tree at the back over there, okay? So this is for you. Where do we go?
Thank you. In the middle?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all of WDK. Oh my gosh. Did that actually make the final cut? I was too scared to watch this. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just teaching some Samoan customs to you. If you don't know, now you do. Right.
So where is your say currently, Pono? Don't say middle.
It's complicated.
Just say it's in the middle.
Will you make history, Gene, to be the first guest to get this
Oh,
object?
I love this team.
That guy's in the middle.
Guy in the middle, Sydney.
Okay, he's right hand.
Sydney, your right hand, please.
That was it. They got on the first guess. Yeah.
The guy in the middle.
So that was so this was a good example of something we weren't sure whether it was going to be good or not on TV. So we just thought up with the game just in the studio here, and just thinking about how we can make it visually entertaining and kind of keeping in suspense with the audience. And I think it came off really well.
Yeah.
And kudos that team. They got it on the first guess there.
That was a very interesting game because that was one of the games where we had a Gengomo installment, and had Digicel not won, had they not win the Gengomo, they would have lost.
Oh, they
It's
would
too
have
much.
lost.
Yeah, they would have lost the game. Actually, the Gengomo was a real really helped with the final tally.
Yeah.
But that was a very good game, very competitive. GG's to both teams. No, I hate this one. I hate this one.
I just want to clarify that I direct the game, but I do not direct the intros.
I love the
That's a
sandals.
good look. That's a good look. So that's intro this year. What about intros last year?
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god!
Which brother does it best?
Hey, I was a child then. Oh my god, no. Can this not
Oh man, is this what got you into commercials? Businesses just saw that. We're like, oh, we gotta have that guy.
Oh my gosh. Those were some dark times, ladies and gentlemen. Ay, ay, ay.
Back
But
when you used to wear shirts.
back when I used to.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was very shocking. I hoped I would never see those videos again.
Oh, good. It's fun to take a trip down memory lane, see some old games, see where we were, where we are now. Oh, good.
Okay, now we are going to finish off some questions from our mystery box. Reg, if you would.
Question number 4, I guess, yeah? Who's your favorite, so I guess most favorite or least favorite team on the show? So in the spirit of sportsmanship, we will only be noting our most favorite.
Our most favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to give a shout out to last year's runner-ups, or is it runners-up?
Oh, the one in the game, the reindeer costumes?
Yeah.
Those were really good.
Pretty much every episode they were in, every game they were in, they came dressed up.
Oh
Yeah,
yes.
they came as like the 3 wise men one time. They came as
Angels.
reindeer or angels.
Yeah.
Yeah, they really put a lot of effort into the show and into their costumes. It really made for a much better program. So
Yeah.
I'll give a shout out to that team. Sorry, I'm blanking on your name right now.
Plenty's 20.
Yeah, Plenty's 20. Yeah, you knew who you are anyways. But, yeah, talk about a bright group of girls there. You know, they made it all the way to the finals, almost won.
Oh yeah, so yeah, I really, there was this, that one team. There was this lady that came with so much energy, and you know, as a host, when you're hosting, you're practically the source of energy for the entire show, and it was real like a relief having this lady on set. You know, you didn't have to think what's cool. Presentation was so much more easy, and you felt more comfortable having this lady on set. And if you weren't saying something funny, she'd compensate and make fun of you. So there's that. But yeah, that team was very, very fun to work with.
All right.
Our next question.
Next question.
What do we have here? It's a Uso Rental sign. Ladies and gentlemen, this segment of Po Po Mano'o is proudly sponsored by Uso Rentals, the #1 car rental here in Samoa. Feel free to call the numbers provided in our Facebook pages for more information on renting a car. The holidays are coming up, so you don't want to miss a ride, well, a comfortable ride. Uso Rentals, your... What's the catchphrase of Uso Rentals?
You are family.
Oh yeah, Uso Rentals, you are family. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your next question for today. It is, what's the most challenging part about making the show? What's the most challenging part about making the show?
It's the questions.
The question.
As the person who makes most of the questions,
We're running out of...
making the questions is the hardest part of the show.
We realized over last year and this year that when the teams come, they're very tense. My intros last year was to try and get them comfortable. All those embarrassing dance moves. If they see I'm okay, then they'll be even like, oh, this guy just embarrassed himself. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
We like to play with your minds. It's all
Yeah.
psychological.
So to all our future teams playing, yeah, don't be shy.
Oh, good.
Our last question. Who do you think is going to win? Smiley face.
Oh, this season.
My money's on the kids. My money's on the
Mountain kids.
Oh no, like the foundation kids.
Oh.
Yeah, tropical.
Team Tropical.
Yeah, that's right. Team Tropical.
20 years old. Oh.
They do their homework too.
So you both think Tropical?
I could see that.
You can see that.
But I don't know. There's some really good teams out there.
I think Mountain Kids is gonna win.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Whaftailava Samoa, ole unga ngā tātou por kalame. That wraps up this special episode of Po Po Mano'o. We've had a great time being with you all. From Bench, would you like to say something?
Just thank you everybody for watching Po Po Mano'o. We hope we're delivering a good, entertaining show for you. If you've got any feedback for us, or if you'd like to see new rounds or new kinds of questions on the show, just hit us up on Facebook Messenger. That's probably the easiest way, and let us know your thoughts.
An exciting we got an exciting end of the year lineup for everyone. Includes virtual trivia events, as well as the lead up to the quarterfinals, semifinals for Po Po Mano'o, and many more things to come here on TV5.
Yes, that is all from us. We will see you again next week on your trivia game show. Po Po Mano'o.